week. So and we talk more about technical analysis of trading. So if you were not in the live stream, you can use the link, the description in the white screen which I posted right here, to get access to the backup of the live stream we held, right? So okay, you are welcome from Nigeria, Maduguri from Kenya. You are welcome, guys. So you are welcome, guys. So what's your trading experience, guys? What is the trading experience? Are you a new trader, a beginner trader, struggling trader, experienced traders? Let me know. Let me know your trading experience. So today I have my list as usual. I always make list of assets I can see potential trade opportunity during the weekend. And this week I am gonna share with you what I can see on the GBP paired against the New Zealand, because a lot of traders have been sending me messages, making requests, asking what are my views on the GBP paired against the USD. So if you are among those traders, do not worry. I will go through these currency pairs, right? So the first thing as a trader, as a price action trader, is you construct your key levels. That is the first thing you need to do. You construct your key levels on the higher time frame. Once you construct your key level, then you can navigate to the lower time frame to look out for trade opportunities, right? So that is the first thing you have to do as a trader. That is the first important thing you have to do. First important thing you have to do as a trader, right? And this is what I did on this price chart. First, I constructed key levels on this price chart so that I can see potential points of interest for buyers and sellers. Someone said, I have been trading but making losses. Then Arafat, you have been trading the wrong way. You have been trading the wrong way. So if you want to improve in your trading skills, check the link on my Telegram bio. Click on the link on my Telegram bio and click on the mentorship tab. Click on the mentorship tab, right? Click on the mentorship tab, right? So we are in a downtrend. GBP USD is in a downtrend. The weekly chart is telling us the downtrend is active, is strong, and the monthly chart is telling us previous week was a strong bullish or strong bearish candlestick. So this week we should be hoping for bearish interest, since there isn't any signal of a change of the bearish trend. Anyways, this month is gonna come to an end tomorrow, which is Tuesday 31st. The month of October will come to an end, and then the price will give us another transformation of bar on the monthly chart on Wednesday. So by end of Tuesday, we get to know the actual formation of this of October bar. Maybe it's gonna be a peanut bearish candlestick right here. So this is what we are waiting for as a trader on Wednesday. Let's see what will happen on Wednesday. And then I'm gonna be live on Tuesday on TikTok. So we are both gonna go together, whatever the market is gonna give us on the monthly chart, right? So based on the weekly chart is telling us it's bearish. So I see no reason why we should be looking for buy on the day chart. The weekday chart is telling us it's bearish. So currently, I can't see any reason to look out for a buy, for a long sentiment on GBP USD. So for now, I'm still supporting the bearish trend, not until I can see a potential reversal of a downtrend to an uptrend. Yeah, it's a must you master the candlestick. Someone said, is it a must you master the candlestick? So I want to ask you a question, Arafat. If you want to speak English language, is it a must for you to master the English alphabet and words, how to construct words? If you want to learn how to speak English fluently, is it compulsory you have to learn the English alphabet and words, how to make sentences, how to learn the part of speech? Is it compulsory? So I need you to give answer to that. Give answers to that. If you want to learn how to speak the English language, is it compulsory you have to know the English alphabet? You have to know how to combine alphabet to make words, how to combine alphabet or words to make sentences, how to know this part of speech, your noun, pronouns, adjective, all this stuff. Is it compulsory you must know them? So that is a question for you, Arafat. So based on the GBP USD, price is still in the downtrend, and for intraday traders who trade on the lower time frame, based on the 4-hour chart, I see no reason to buy to long on GBP USD. So I currently don't have the GBP USD on my list this week because I can't see any technicalities right here supporting my trading or strategy. And let's proceed to the Euro pair against the USD. Here comes the Euro pair against the USD. As usual, let's check on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, here comes what we have. Here comes what we have on the monthly chart. We have price. Yes, at a key level structure. Okay, let's check the weekly chart. Here comes the weekly chart of the Euro pair against the USD. Here comes the weekly chart. The weekly chart as well is in a downtrend. We can't see any strong technicalities to long from the weekly chart. So based on the day chart, the price is still in a downtrend, and we can see we had a strong bearish candlestick which was formed last week Tuesday. Currently we are having a sign of potential buy or long interest. We are having a potential long interest at this structure right here, but this long interest right here is kind of too weak for this strong bearish aggressive bar right here. So this is why you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful if you want to go long on Euro USD, right? So I am not yet looking out for any trade position on Euro USD this week, right? Okay, let's check other assets on my list. Let's check the Australian dollar paired against the USD, AUD paired against the USD, because a lot of traders as well have been asking me questions about Australian dollar paired against the USD. What are my views on this asset? Well, what I can see right here is we have a kind of could call this right here like a channel, a bearish channel. Call it a bearish channel, but to be sincere with you, guys, what I have right here to me is definition of a choppy market. I don't like this rally right here because some traders actually sent some images to me asking, there's like a falling channel right here. Can't you see the falling channel? There's a falling channel. No, this could break out up. Well, I don't like this price action on Australian dollar paired against the USD. This is just to clarify traders who are looking out for trade opportunity right there. I am not saying you might not get a trade opportunity right there, but what I'm saying is based on my own trading strategy, my own trading rules, I can't say anything realistic right here. So let's check my preferred asset I'm currently looking out for trade opportunity. That is a Euro paired against the New Zealand. So I am currently looking out for trade opportunity on Euro paired against the New Zealand. So let's check. Okay, I have the British pound sterling JPY on my list, right? I am looking out for opportunity right here as well. So let's check the I have the Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand. Yes, Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. We had a symmetrical chart pattern right here, so you guys should watch out for Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen, right? So it's possible we might figure out trade opportunity on this asset. So make sure you monitor the Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. Based on the day chart, you can see we have the symmetrical chart pattern. So chart pattern traders, pay attention to that. If you're a chart pattern traders, if you like to trade chart pattern, pay attention to what we have on the Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen, right? And let's go down to other assets I have right here. Let's go to the Euro paired against the New Zealand. Okay, let's check the Euro paired against the New Zealand. Euro paired against the New Zealand. So let's get all this off. let's get all this off and mark this level once again. So based on what we have on the European against the New Zealand, I'm going to try to mark the key level structures on this chart so that you guys can see how you should have your key level structure aligned on this price chart. So we have the current resistance structure, the price structure of the 1.85. I have to make this orange color, and then I have the next key level structure which comes in at the price right here. This is based on what I have on the higher time frame, and then I have another support structure at the price of the 1.63. I have a series of a rejection structure right here, right? And what else again? Okay, and I have a rejection structure at the price of the 1.754 right here, which is good. Right now I have a rising trend line on the monthly chart. We have this, so we have a bullish rally on the monthly chart. Okay, and right from this top structure right here, we can connect it down. Okay, let's check on the weekly chart. Let's try to align this trend line to check on the weekly, to appear on the weekly and the day chart. So based on the weekly chart, we have a rising trend line, right? We treat this level right there as a first breakout. Okay, all right. And based on the weekly chart, this is what we have on the weekly chart. But let's try to stay closer to current price action zones. From this level right here all the way up, we have this, which is okay this way, good. And we have another upper trend line at the top. So what we currently add on this price action right here is a rising narrow wedge on the European against the New Zealand. So this is what we have right here, and we have a high swing at this structure right here. We have a series of a resistance, no supply structure right from this zone. Let's mark this level. So this is how I mark my level before I trade in the market. So based on what we have, let's check the day chart. Based on the day chart, we are currently looking out for price to make a bearish flow below this structure of this high right here, series of high resistance. Price broke out. If price can make a close, a retest for a downtrend. So this is what I'm looking at to play this week on this asset. This is based on European against the New Zealand. And then you guys sellers are in market. You guys can suggest any asset you want us to analyze. So let's check the Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollars. Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollars. I also have some information I want to share with you guys. Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar, right? So this is what we have based on the day chart. Let's check the weekly chart. This is what we have on the weekly chart. Let's get all this off. Based on the monthly chart, this is what we have, right? So based on the weekly chart, we have some key level structures right here at the price of the 0.7847. We have another key level structure at this medium right here. So based on what we have on the day chart, we have a bearish channel. This level has been broken. The upper band of this rising channel has been broken. So this week I'm going to be looking out to see how price will react to this level, to this medium right here. I want to see how price will react. Maybe we have a bounce down for up. You can see that if we can have a bounce down and up. So these are the type of trade I'm looking at for this week, right? So these are the assets I currently have in the foreign exchange market. So let's check out the commodities markets. Let's check the US oil. I gave some analysis on US oil, and then it's still yet to play out. So still monitoring the US oil. Based on US oil, let's check the day chart. Okay, I gave some analysis on this asset. This is why you can see some written intonations on this price chart. I gave some analysis on this asset. I think that was the last week. I share with traders what I'm going to be looking out for on this asset. So if you missed the live stream, you can check the copy of this video in the Telegram group. I have the link to access the copy of this analysis on US oil, right? So if you miss it, just check through the Telegram group to access the live stream. So based on what we have on US oil, we have price in an uptrend. You can see that we have a low high swing right there. So what we had right here is kind of a head and shoulder chart pattern. We have a head and shoulder chart pattern on this price chart right here. So you can see, right, we have the right shoulder right here, we have the head, we have the rising right shoulder, we have the neckline. So we are currently waiting for price to break this neckline to give us a decisive volume before we look for a sell anticipation on US oil. So this is what I have on US oil. So guys, based on the 4-hour chart, let's see how price will react to this level right there. So let's just clean off all these drawings from the day chart. Let's clean that out. Let's clean that out on the day chart. So based on the US oil, I am closely monitoring this asset. I want to see how this asset will react, how it will react to this level right there. Maybe we are going to have a massive bearish breakout down for more downward rally on US oil. So this is what I have on US oil. So this is going to be a potential nice setup for us. So Arafat, sellers are in market. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know the asset to talk about, right? So that is all I want to share with you guys. And then as guys, let's go through gold. Let's check out gold. SAU paired against the USD. What is going on gold? I've been emphasizing on gold is strong, and some traders were looking at to sell, to short. So based on what I have on gold, I still can't yet figure out a valid technical strong reason to short. So based on what I see have on gold, I'm still in support of the strong rally on gold. So for now, I am still yet to see a technical reason why we should be shorting gold, right? So for now, there isn't any reason to short gold. In the analysis I gave last week, I stated for those who want to long gold, you shouldn't long right there. Now you can see why it is not good to long high. Why you shouldn't long high. For those who long at this medium right there now, they are being reversed down. And I stated in the analysis yesterday, I stated, is it yesterday or maybe on Thursday? I stated for those who want to long, it's better. I think that was I think that was last week. I said for those who want to long gold, it's not good. It's not the best. The best zone to long is not at this medium. It's better to watch out for a pullback. As you can see now, we have the pullback. So that is what we have on gold. So for those who want to continue the story right here, you have to keep on monitoring what price has to offer this low swing of the key level structure of the 1988 and the dynamic rising channel in this uptrend on gold. So that's my view on gold, right? So I am fully interested to see what US oil market is going to give us. I like the price actions on US oil market, so that's why I'm monitoring that. As well, I like the price action on Euro New Zealand. So those are my list of assets I have. Any list or any asset or any currency pairs, any market I have any trade opportunity or I can see trade opportunity, I will always share with traders in the Telegram group. As well, let's check the S&P 500. S&P 500, we are seeing a downtrend. The downtrend still continues on the weekly chart. Still down. Right, so I'm still hoping for a pullback. If I can still see a pullback for more downtrend. So this is what I have on S&P 500. So guys, this is what I want to share with you guys today. As you all know, I don't like to take much of our time because it's Monday, a busy day. So if you like this analysis, make sure to subscribe for more and put a comment down, right, and use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram group. If you are watching from TikTok, click on the link on my bio as stated in the whiteboard pasted on the screen, right? So this is question time. You guys can now ask your questions. If you have questions for me in this live stream, you can ask your question. If you have questions from Facebook or from YouTube, you can ask questions in relation to the analysis we have discussed, or if you have any question in relation to trading, right? So you guys can ask me questions in relation to trading. Okay, question time. Oh, you are welcome, Vic Cypher. You are welcome. So question time. This is a question time. Question time. So for those of you who missed the live stream we held yesterday, Sunday, on TikTok and Facebook, I have a copy of it on my Facebook page. So all you need to do is to click on the link on my bio on this account, or the link in the description of this video, and they'll check on my Telegram group. So once you check on my Telegram group, type the keyword Facebook and just send it in the Telegram group. Automatically the admin will respond with the link for you to watch the live stream we aired yesterday on Facebook and TikTok, right? So if you missed yesterday's live stream, you can watch the copy on Facebook, right? Just visit the Telegram group and type the keyword Facebook. Automatically you will get the link. So you can click on the link and then watch the live stream, right? So guys, question time. Is there any question you guys want to ask me? You guys can ask questions, right? Question time. You can see I love this price action which formed on next up 500, and I was happy I took this type of setup on what we have on there is Dow Jones Industrial Average. These are the type of setup you should look out for as a trader. You can see right here we have this double top structure. Anyways, this was a lower second top right here, lower second top. Some traders could as well call it as a upright head and shoulder, which is also right. We have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right here. We have the neckline being broken at this medium. We have a retest of the neckline, and the retest of the neckline as well gave us another double top. You can see the first top and the second top, the break of the neckline. So these are the type of trade I like to hold on to for a long time. You can see how price precipitated down aggressively. Price went down aggressively right from this structure all the way down. You can see that was a massive almost 4:1 ratio. So these are the type of trade I always look out for in the market. So instead of trading choppy market, market that tend to get difficult to analyze, focus your attention to search out for assets that has the best technicalities. You just need just one market to trade and be profitable. You don't need to trade every currency pairs or asset in the financial market, right? So question time. I believe everyone sellers is a must. So if you are still asking, is it a must for you to master candlestick, then I think you are not yet really serious about taking trading as a business. You are still having the mindset of gambling in trading. If you are still asking, should you master candlestick? Because if you don't know how to read candlestick, how do you want to trade? How do you want to trade? How do you want to know what the market is saying? If you don't know how to interpret candlestick, how do you want to know when the market is telling you to get out, to get in, or how do you want to know what to do in the market if you still can't read candlestick? So my advice for you is just to take your time and master the requirement, okay? Master the requirement, right? Thank you. So I'll be back here maybe probably in the evening on Facebook and TikTok, right? So that is all. Happy trading.